On this day, we are driving to T&O near Milford Sound, and the road follows the shoreline of Lake, now try and pronounce it, Lake Wakatipu. Hopefully I've got that right, all the way to Kingston, where we also put the drone up. Kingston will feature in our next video, soon to be uploaded. The drone is now turning to look at Halfway Bay, an 18,000 hectare grazing property which houses a homestead, farm manager's house, staff accommodation, a wool shed, and other sheds for machinery, a marina and jetty, plus a workshop. The power source over there is hydro generation. The only way in is by boat or helicopter. This property recently changed hands for an unknown figure, but thought to be in excess of $30 million. It was privately owned, but now owned by a New Zealand investment company which intends to undertake regenerative farming practices. We love all these rugged mountains. It reminds us of our travels through Colorado in the US. The drive from Queenstown to Milford Sound is an upcoming video, so look for it in our playlist or subscribe so YouTube will notify you when it is uploaded. It was during a boat trip on the Sound where we bumped into Sam Isles, our newly found YouTube icon. Anyway, thanks for watching.